Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I'm going to show you how you guys can lock your WhatsApp guys. So I open my WhatsApp. Normally anyone can access my WhatsApp, my personal messages or whatever I have in my WhatsApp, but I want to lock it. So I will tell you how you guys can lock it. There is a very easy way. There is an app and you can install that app into your mobile phone. So that app name is, I will show you in the next screen. The app name is Lock for Apps. Okay, so this app you can install in your mobile phone. I will give you the link in the description guys. So this app, when you install your mobile phone, it will take just a few seconds and it is very useful to lock your WhatsApp. I already installed it. I will show you. It looks like this when I open it. So you have to go here and you go on the start option, and then here you guys can put your password. You can put any password, so I will put the normal password. I will put like 1234 password. Yeah, so I will put the password here. So password I will put 1234 guys. Okay, then again confirm password 1234, and then in the email you can write down your email address. So put the correct email address so you can access in case you forgot your password. So save this one and go into the next page. So when you go in next page, you can see here there is a option coming over there. So you have to select that first option, the first option, which is WhatsApp. You have to turn it on. Okay, and you see downside two options are coming. So two options are coming downside. You have to select the first option guys on your mobile phone. When you select the first option, this page will open. It will take you to this page. It will show you the usage access. So you have to go down. You see the same app, WhatsLock. Open this one and you can give it access. So you can enable it. I will enable it. So now I enable it, then I finish this process, and then I go again to that app WhatsLock. Here it will ask my password. I will put password 1234. Then it will show you this page. Then there is an option name interactive cover. You have to click this one, tap this one, click this one. When you click it, this page will open. I will show you again. So that's interactive cover. Yeah, you have to scroll down. You will see the interactive cover option. When you open, it will open this page. You have to select the WhatsApp, and then you have to enable this interactive cover as well. When you enable this, the next screen will appear. It will show you like that. So you have to tap with your screen 3 times to access anything. So now everything is done. Now I will go to my WhatsApp. You will see here. So now I open my website. You see WhatsApp, everything is locked. No one can access what is there. No one can access it. So to give it access, I have to tap the message button. I will show you again. Now it is locked here. So you can see no one can access it. When I click here, there, you cannot open anything. So on the message option, you have to click this 3 times. You have to tap this 3 times. So when you tap it 3 times, it will take you to the password option where you have to give your password. So when you click it 3 times, it will take you to this page, WhatsLock password. You have to put the same password 1234 that I put, and now you can see here I can access my WhatsApp. It's very easy guys, and it's very useful. As you guys know, most of the time you have personal messages or personal data on your WhatsApp and you want no one to access it. So in that case, this app is very useful. You can easily install it from your Play Store or from your iTunes guys, from the Apple. So it's very easy guys. So it's very useful in your day-to-day activities, and you can easily change your password. You can easily manage anything. You have to give your email address, so if in any case you lost your password, you can access that one as well. So I hope guys you like my videos, and please like my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.